One more day in Disneyland. Annie, you just met Mickey Mouse. What'd you think? She likes that Mickey Mouse.
She didn't cry like I thought she might.
Oh, Thunder Mountain.
We got our churro funnel cake and some onion rings at the Hungry Bear. This is gonna be the best thing you've ever ate before.
I know, it's
Are you ready? At least that's what I thought. Take a bite. I hope it's as good as I remember.
It's hard to... What I've learned is you have to get a bite with everything on it.
Oh yeah, some whipped cream. So good, right?
That is really good. Here comes the big bow. Are you enjoying your experience? Wow. Look at that.
She's chasing him out of here. Look at the ducks. Annie's that Donald Duck. That Donald Duck. Whoa.
Say bye, duck. Don't touch the duck. It's covered in who knows what.
You're gonna touch that duck, aren't you?
Don't touch your duck. You move a little bit, duck. Mr. Duck. I know you were here first, but look at that goose. Don't touch the duck. Covered in germs and bacteria. You can't get diseases from a bird. Oh, bye, duck. Bye, duck. Bye, duck.
We're at Cafe Orleans. We just got the coffee. I've never had them.
Never had them?
No.
We should make them all.
Oh my god. That was really good.
Smell them.
Yum. Here's our Monte Cristo. This is the regular one. And then this is the cheese, 3 cheese one. I'm so excited. We have to get pictures before we can eat. But I'm literally so full from the fries. But that's okay. so much. It was so cute. Now we're going into Toontown. It's so cute. And then you see Star Wars Land. It's gonna be so crazy when Star Wars Land opens, but I'm excited. It's gonna be really cool. Kind of like Pandora, I feel like. Mary Poppins and Bert. I love it when they go on the carousel.
I wouldn't mind.
We got the alien macaroon.
Well, I think that there's lemon filling inside, but you have to see for yourself.
Oh, looks yummy. Look at that. That looks fun. We're pretty good.
Ever since Pixar Fest happened, I was like, I wonder what that tastes like. Like, I had no idea.
Real sweet, that's pretty good. Thinking about it.
That's like sugar coated on my tongue.
Give it an out of this world.
Out of
You
this
like it?
world.
It's really out of this world. Like, whoa, that's above and beyond. It's not always a good thing.
Maybe like it.
There's other stuff inside.
The yellow.
I don't like that.
Can I try that part?
It's a rainy day on Main Street. But I have my stars and I'm trying to wait for the Dapper Dans. I don't know if they come out during the rain, but we'll see. It's so pretty at night, especially when it rains. Something real peaceful about this.
View of the happiest land of them all, Fantasyland. You can see people stepping onto It's a Small World just below us. And, off in the distance, majestic Matterhorn Mountain.
We're stuck on Indiana Jones. This happened to me last time. I don't know what they said, but the lights are on inside there. We're just sitting here. We're literally at like the start of the ride. We haven't even gone yet, but we're sitting. They let us go on Indiana Jones twice because it like broke down.
Yeah, we were like just sitting there right at the front though.
Yeah, for a while, but they let us go on again, so that was so cool. And now we're heading to Tomorrowland because it's our last hour.
What are you talking about, last hour?
Our last hour.
There's 2 hours, kid.
No.
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it closed at 11, brother.
Close at 12.
No.
What?
Closed at 11.
I'm pretty sure it closed at midnight.
Nope, it does. That was yesterday. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's right. I'm actually okay with it.
I was the rebel spy. I've never been the rebel spy. Dreams come true at Disney. We just went on Alice, and now we're gonna go to Peter Pan. We have like 7 minutes left till the park closes. Does it look like a long line? Yes. Perfect. We're saying goodbye to Disneyland. Can't see us. Goodbye, Disneyland.